very warm welcome to Daily Dispatch, a show that gives you all the latest news and updates from the digital ecosystem. I'm Priya Sheth. Thank you very much for logging in. Time now to get you all the top news stories that we've been tracking for you this evening. Well, first up, community platform Kutumb has raised about $26 million in a Series A round led by Tiger Global. In December 2020, the startup raised about 15.5 crore rupees as part of the Surge program. It allows users to create apps to connect with people in their community, share news, updates on members, and also serve as a discussion platform. Moving on to the second headline of the day, home fitness and wellness startup Portal has raised an undisclosed amount in seed funding from Kalari Capital. Portal is a fully integrated, multifunctional, and smart fitness health system. The funds raised will be utilized to grow the team across hardware, engineering, and AI domains, as well as expand the sales and marketing efforts for the Portal range of products in India. Well, a few weeks after the deal with the Tata Group, online pharmacy 1mg is planning to bring express delivery typically within an hour of medicines to consumers. The report suggests that 1mg has already started delivering medicines in 4 to 5 hours of placing an order in parts of New Delhi and Gurugram, and now plans to ramp up this service into an express delivery vertical across India. Moving on to the final headline of the day, Upside AI, a SEBI-registered investment management startup, has raised a seed round of $1.2 million led by VC fund India Partners. The funding will help the startup build a robust pipeline of differentiated tech products and a network of large distributors, wealth managers, brokers, as well as IFAs. Well, moving on to our second segment, I have with me someone from the fitness tech space. I have with me Dinesh Kodra. Thank you very much, Dinesh, for joining us today. You've been in news because Tread, which is your venture, has been acquired by CultFit. What does it really mean for the company, and how is it going to help Tread in the medium to long term?
Yeah, thank you, Priya. Good morning. Thanks your story to have me on this show. We find like great synergies with Cult, and I think with Cult we are going to do lots of things. First thing is like the kind of product we have, that is like we are changing it's like best cardio machine, I would say. Not only cardio, like people can also do strength workout as well. So it's like people need the experience basically. People want to touch and feel the product basically. So since like Cult having more than like 250 centers across the country, so definitely we are going to get a reach across the country from day one. So that is the one thing. Then like Cult having very good brand name in the number one brand in the fitness, so that is also one of the thing that is going to help. So I think there are great synergies basically, and we are going to solve all the hardware thing along with the Cult.
Talk to us about the kind of brand identity for Tread. Are you going to continue to remain a standalone brand and continue to have standalone operations even under Cult, or will this be rebranded under the Cult Fitness brand?
So Tread is going to be work as independently, and our focus is going to work more and more innovative home fitness products basically. So we are going to keep it a Tread as a part of CultFit.
So give us an insight as to what kind of home fitness products are you looking at introducing. I do understand that you have a smart bike, which is one of your flagship products out there. But apart from that, in the home fitness space, any other equipments that are in the pipeline?
Yeah, so currently I don't want to disclose, but yeah, we are also working on some other strength products as well. But currently, like we have launched this bike, but yeah, we are definitely working on the products that are going to be launched in the month of September and October.
Yeah, so these products will this be in like a treadmill? Will it be what kind of products will it be? Give our audiences some sort of insight as to the kind of strength or the kind of muscles that these products are going to be utilized for.
Yeah, we are building on a machine where like people can do 100 plus workouts at their home, and it will be like very compact design, and yeah, it's great for strength basically.
Right, and these products would be sold via the Cult website, or how would these be sold?
Yeah, so like as I mentioned, like Tread is also going to be run as independently, so people can also place the order from Tread itself. Also, all these like bike and all other products will also available on the trade cult app and web also.
Right. In terms of absolute revenue generation from Cult, what kind of estimates are you working with? I'm sure there is a blueprint that you have in place as to what kind of growth and revenue targets that you have.
So like our goal is to reach like 50,000 customers by next year. So we have like great align in terms of brand integration and like how we are going to place our product basically. So we have like great, no, we have already planned great numbers.
Give us some insight about the Smart Bike, which is your flagship product. At this point in time, what is the kind of growth that this product is seeing in terms of traction? And are there any more features that you're going to be introducing within the Smart Bike space?
So like there are thousands of there are hundreds of people who already pre-booked basically. So we are going to, the delivery is going to begin from the next month. So currently people are just placing pre-orders basically, and like they need to make remaining payment in the next month before delivery. So like regarding feature, it's like compact and like a smart bike basically. It's a like complete solution. There is a 22-inch big screen along with the bike, so that will help you to like show your real data basically, whatever at what speed, what resistance you are running your bike. And the good part is like you can see the real-time leaderboard there. We are going to provide the real-time content by trainers, so you can see the real-time leaderboard how well you are doing. So I think I can say it's a best cardio machine. And the good part is like people simply rotate the screen and they can also do different other kind of workouts like yoga, cardio, strength as well. So and it's very compact. And the good part is like the bike on which we are going to manufacture in India itself, and it's designed by the guy who designed Peloton bike also, and Soul Cycle and other bike also.
So in terms of pricing for this bike, how are you going to be pricing this bike? And I wanted to also understand in terms of your overall kind of synergies with CultFit. How will it work? Is it a revenue sharing model? How is it going to work?
So like pricing is like we simply kept it 59,900 rupees for the bike. For like regarding revenue share, so it's like simple cult product only basically. Now like it is part of cult basically, so there is nothing like it's revenue share or something. So basically there would be like 59,900 rupees for the upfront for the product. Then there would be a membership for the content basically. It would be like around and only 6,000 kind of. So initially like we are offering 1 year free content membership for our early customers.
Right. What kind of investment would you require for this product? Are you pumping in some annual investments for expansion and these products?
Yeah. So like initially like we are going with the 10 million investments. So that would be enough to start. So like if we're starting with that, then as per requirement, definitely we are also going to increase that as well.
All right. On that note, many thanks, Vinesh, for joining us today. Thank you so much for being a part of the Daily Dispatch. Thank you for your time.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Well, time now to say goodbye. Many thanks for logging in. I'll join you tomorrow at 5 p.m. Goodbye and stay safe.